Good morning, students. What we learned in the previous class? In the previous class, we have learned about the division, is it? Division of integers. I hope you are all understood the concept. Division of integer and multiplication of integers and exercise problems also. Okay. Today we are going to do the worksheet 1 and 2 problems. Okay. So first one, worksheet 1, select the correct answers, fill in the blanks, you will try. Okay. The homework. Third problem also homework. Now start from the fourth problem. From the fourth problem in the worksheet 1. What is the fourth problem? Simplify the following. Simplify the following. The fourth one. What are the rules we have learned for the addition and subtraction? So any two same integers. Okay. Same positive integers. Any two same sign. Okay. Any two positive integers we have added, we get the positive. Any two negative integers we have added, we get the negative. Two different signs of integers we have added, subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay. And what are the rules for the multiplication and division of integers? Any two positive numbers we have multiply, we get the positive value. Any two negative numbers we have multiply, we get the positive value. Okay. Any two negative, minus into minus also plus. Okay. Any two different signs or any two different negative or positive integers we have to multiply, we get the negative. Both multiplication and division having the same rule. Okay, right. So now apply the rule. Multiplication is given. Okay, so 7 into minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 5. Okay, so first multiply. 7 4s are 28 into plus into minus minus. Here minus into minus plus. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now plus into minus minus. Multiply. 28 15s are 28 15s are. So 5 8s are 40. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. 8 2 0. So 420. 420 is the answer. Okay. So minus 420. Okay. Second B. Minus 5 into 3 into minus 2 into 7. Okay. So multiply this value. Minus 15 into minus into plus minus 2 7s are 14. Now multiply these two values. Minus into minus plus. 15 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6 5. 214. Okay, that's it. And next, fifth problem, write the opposite of the following. Already we have learned this chapter first. Opposite, we have learned the opposite of the natural numbers. Okay, so what is that? Fifth one. Fifth one, write the opposite. Driving 40 km north. So, what is the answer? Driving 40 km north opposite south. Okay, and next one, arriving 5 minutes late. 5 minutes late means 5 minutes earlier. Okay, so arriving 5 minutes earlier is given, so late. Okay, and sixth one of that, choose the smallest number from each group. So which numbers in an integer? See, okay, 0 is less than the positive value, less than the positive numbers. Okay, so negative numbers. Okay, now all the negative numbers is less than the 0, less than the 0. So all the negative numbers are very smallest numbers. Okay, in between after two, any two negative numbers, for example -5 and -1, which one is smallest number? -5 is the smallest number. Okay, and -1 is the largest number. Compare these two negative numbers, compare these two negative numbers, which one is greatest one? -1 is the greatest number. Okay, so you will find out the answer for the sixth sum. Choose the smallest numbers. Okay, so which one is smallest number? -5. Okay, you will find out the remaining problems and write it in your class homework note. And seventh one, choose the largest number from the each group. This also, which one is largest number? Compare these two number. -1 is largest number. Okay, next one, which of these is earlier one? So here the two statements are given, arriving on time or arriving a minute earlier. Okay, arriving on the time means on this time, on the timing அப்படினு வரும். So earlier one is asking, what is asking the question? Which of these is the earlier ones? Which one is earlier do? So arriving 8 minutes is earlier. 8 minutes முன்னாடி வந்தது தான் first நடந்தது. On the time means on the spot. Okay, and B one of the statement, arriving 15 minutes late or arriving 10 minutes late. So first one of the statement is 15 minutes late is given. Okay, second one of the statement given 10 minutes. So compare these two. What is the first one, earliest one? Arriving 10 minutes late. 10 minutes late ஆவறதுக்கும் 15 minutes late ஆவறதுக்கு difference இருக்கு. 5 minutes difference இருக்கு. So which statement is correct? Second one of the statement. Okay, write the answer for that. Eighth problem. First one, 8 minutes early. Okay, early one was only asked in a question. Okay, second one, arriving 15 minutes late, arriving 10 minutes late. So 10 minutes late. Okay, ninth one, use the number line to show the answers. Okay, so number line பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. A and B are the homework and do the C problem. -6 plus 5. Draw the number line. So negative values are there. I will start from here. In this negative, in that side write the positive values, in this side write the negative value. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so from this to this 6 is it? So -6. Added 5 means here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we get? -1. -1. That's it. And next one of that, D problem, -12 plus 8. -12 plus 8. -1 minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, 11, minus 12. Okay, so 0 to minus 12. Okay, right. Added 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8. What we get? Which position? We get the value was minus 4. Minus 4. Okay, right. As the remaining first two problems are homework. Now move to the 10 to 1. A train travel 15 km due west, then 9 km due east. Okay, so east, west, opposite directions. Okay, so where is the train in the relation to its original position? So what is the original position? And write the directed numbers sentence to represent this situation. Write in the numeral statement. Okay, so solution. First one is it, where is the train in relation to its original position? So a train travel 15 kilometer due west. So west means negative. Okay, and next one 9 kilometer due east. So plus. So original position, first one answer. Okay, original position is equal to plus 9. Distance we have to find out, is it? So distance not asking, then where is the train in the relation to its original position? Distance கேட்டாங்கன்னா you have to find out the difference. Okay, so அப்போ எந்த பிளேஸ்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிருக்கு அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So one value is positive. East means 9 km east. West means opposite direction. West means opposite direction. So negative sign. So minus 15. What we get? Minus 6. What we get? Minus 6. So answer is minus 6 kilometer. Okay, or 6 kilometer west. 6 kilometer. The original place was 6 kilometer west. West means that's negative. Okay, and B1 write in the number. Okay, directed the number. Write the directed number sentence to the represent this division. So 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 6. Okay, the numerical statement is word. Okay, Mama. So 6 km west means automatically you have consider the opposite direction. Okay, right. And see the worksheet 2. Worksheet 2. Select the correct answers. Fill in the blanks and true or false. Complete the table. The integer table is given. Okay, everyone you know well. You will practice in this table. Okay, and then draw the number line and mark the numbers minus 2 and the move sound numbers. Move sound numbers right means plus. Okay, okay, first 5 problems homework. Sixth, first 2 problem I will do. Okay, remaining 2 problems are homework. Okay, worksheet 2. Sixth, C and D are the homework. Okay, do the A problem. So A given 10, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, write down the numbers tendons represented by the each number line. So we have to write the numbers for this number line. Okay, so see, so in between of the number is 1, is it? 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so the number line move from 0 to 3. So how many units are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. Okay, and next one, from the 3, how many units are moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so numbers statement is 3 plus 7. Okay, 3 plus 7, what we get? 10. Okay, that is answer. And next B, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so between numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The arrow marks say 0 to 4 and 4 to 7 and then move to 10. That is given in your book. Okay, so now write the number sentence. So count that, start from 0 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one arc having the value is 4 units, and next one of that 1, 2, 3 units. Here 1, 2, 3. Okay, so answer is 4 plus 3 plus 3. What we get? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. We get the 3. Okay, arrow mark is given. Right. Okay, remaining 2 problems are homework. Now move to the 7th one. Okay, Saurya traveled 30 km north and Ihan traveled 56 km south from the same point. Already we have completed one of the problem. This like in a exercise. Okay. Seventh one, same method. So you travel 30 km north, so it's positive. So opposite of the direction south he can travel. Okay, both are start from the same point. North, south. Okay, and then from the same point, starting point. Find the distance between the final destination of two. So distance is asking. So what we do? We have to find out the difference of these 2 kilometers. Difference of these 2 kilometers. So write the answer. So distance, thus the distance between of them, okay, ரெண்டு பேருக்கு இடையில, okay அம்மா, is equal to 30, so north, okay, plus difference, you have to find out the distance, so difference you have to find out, so minus sign, so already having the south side opposite direction, so minus 56 kilometer, so add these two values, minus into minus plus 56, so 86 kilometer, 86 kilometer, that's it. And next, eighth problem, subtract the sum of from the sum of the values. First we have to find out sum of minus 9 plus 30 plus minus 12, okay. So what is the sum of values? Here these two having the same sign, so add and put the same sign. What we get? Minus 9 plus 12, 21 plus 13 plus 30, okay. So add here two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract, what we get? 30. So 9, greater number sign is positive. Okay, the first calculation completed. And next one of that, sum of minus 45 plus 12 plus minus 14. So here also these two having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. Add, what we get? Minus 59 plus 12. Here we got the different sign. So subtract and put the greater number sign. Greater number sign is negative. Subtract, what we get? 7, 4, 47. Okay, right. And next is subtract. What is the given statement? Subtract the sum of this value from this. Idhila irundu, from this sum of values. So minus 47, okay, from this value minus 47 according to the question, okay. What is given? Subtract from minus 47 by which value? 9. So subtract it. Minus 47 minus 9. We get both having the same sign. Add and put the same sign. So 7 plus 16, 56. Minus 56 is the answer. Minus 56. So answer for this problem is 50 minus 56. And ninth problem. Solve the following. So here also given the multiplication of integers. Okay, so it has three numbers in negative integers. Minus 5 into minus 7 into minus 10 into minus 6 is given. Okay, so multiply that values. Minus into minus plus 35 into minus into minus plus 10, 6 are 16. Multiply these two values. 35, 6 are. 6 5s are 30. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So, okay, right. Answer is 2100. Okay. So, B is a homework. And now move to the 10th problem. A shopkeeper earn a profit of rupees 4 by selling a notebook. Okay, the shopkeeper earn a profit of 4 rupees by selling a notebook and incurs a loss of rupees 1 by selling a pen. What is the meaning? ஒரு notebook sell பண்ணும்போது 4 rupees profit ஆகுது. At the same time எதில் லாஸ் ஆகுதுமா, ஒரு பென் வந்து சேல் பண்ணார்னா அதில் 1 rupee லாஸ் ஆகுது. ஃபைண்ட் ஹிஸ் ப்ராஃபிட் ஆர், அவருக்கு அப்போது ப்ராஃபிட் கிடைக்குமா லாஸ் கிடைக்குமா? எத்தனை புக்குக்கு? ஆன் திஸ் செல்லிங் ஆஃப் 3 நோட் புக் அண்ட் 6 பென். 6 பென் பண்ண சேல்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் 3 நோட்டும் சேல்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. மொத்தம் அன்றைக்கி அவருக்கு வந்து ப்ராஃபிட் கிடச்சிருக்குமா லாஸ் கிடச்சிருக்குமா அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின் கேட்குறேன். ஓகே, so profit of how many notebooks? 3 notebooks is equal to, for each book how many rupees profit? 4 rupees. So 4 is it rupees 4 into how many books are sold? 3 books. So what is the value? Rupees 12. Okay, and last of 6 pence is equal to, so how many rupees of each? 6 pence. Last value is 1. So 1 into sell the 6 pence. So rupees 6. Okay, so find his profit. That man got the profit or loss? Profit, because the profit of the notebook is per note having the 4 rupees. So 3 notebooks are sold, he got 12 rupees, but loss of every pen is rupees 1. He sold 6 pens, so the last amount is 6. So totally we have calculated the notebooks and pens selling profits. Okay, so profit is how many rupees? Subtract from 12 minus 6, 6 is 6 rupees 6. Okay, thus he earned 6 rupees profit. Okay, he earned 6 rupees profit. That's it. So this unit fully completed. Okay, so exercise worksheet problems also complete. I will write the homework on that side. Worksheet 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, A and B. Worksheet 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C and D. Everyone should complete the homework and send it to the Johor app. Thank you, students.